The Tesla Powerwall 3 is one of the top residential batteries on the market. But is it perfect? Not quite. Here's where it could improve. The main issue is its size and lack of modular design. Each unit has an impressive 13 kilowatt-hours capacity, but that also means it's heavy, about 260 pounds. Imagine being an installer trying to lift and mount that on a wall. Even with tools, it's a challenge. In states like California, where larger systems are common, this means connecting multiple units with extra wiring, adding more work. Another drawback is the lack of flexibility. For a 20 kilowatt-hour system, you'd need to buy 2 units, giving you 26 kilowatt-hours total and paying for capacity you don't need. Maintenance is also tricky. If any cells fail, you have to replace the entire 13 kilowatt-hours pack. These design issues put Tesla at a disadvantage compared to competitors offering more modular solutions. Check out my other videos for comparisons and don't forget to subscribe.